A few years ago, I started a program for kids and experimented the effect of sounds on the psychology and behavior of kids in the age group between 4 and 10, or sometimes even kids who are as old as 12 were involved in the program. I kind of started it in a very informal fashion, and then I found tremendous results happening in Canada where I started it. Now it has become a formal program, or it is being formalized. The program is based on what I have come to call as mind-sound technology. Mind is just words or language, and if there aren't words or language, there won't be any mind, at least the cognitive mind. So cognitive thinking mind is language or words. So I just came to the final analysis that sounds, which are alphabets, which are basically consonants and vowels, create words and language. So if we understand vowels and consonants, we can understand human mind itself. Based on this, I developed a program called the Super Kids program. Amazing results have come. Children using this program show remarkable changes in their behavior and in their intelligence, comprehension, and so forth. Even adults have showed great improvement. During my Guru Purnima program in San Francisco, someone came up with a Kirlian photography showing before and after the use of these vowels in a certain way that I have designed. There are remarkable, amazing discoveries have come out, and somebody even wanted to introduce it in schools in a formalized way. So soon that will be available for kids to practice these sounds. I'm very excited about that.